His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for sitting down with the former Prime Minister, Raila Odinga, and for dialogue. Because dialogue is good, but dialogue does not mean handshake. I want to assure the people of Mathioya that there is no handshake. The government is already formed, and we know they have discussed and they have agreed that all this process will be brought back to us as parliamentarians, because we are the representatives of the people. The people of Mathioya elected me to represent them in parliament. And you know the role of parliament is legislation, oversight and representation. What I want to assure Kenyans and the people of Mathioya, that we are going to do our job to ensure that the commissioners, IBC commissioners, are selected in a bipartisan manner. And this is not the first time it is happening. In 1997 it was done, 2007, 2002, and even now we are doing it. But what we are asking, the solution to this country is not protests or is not maandamano. As Kenyans, we should be able to sit down and have a constructive opposition that can criticize based on policies, but not on destroying people's property in Nairobi or in other places. Most of our businesses, especially from Mount Kenya region, they have been affected in Nairobi. And some of those people, they even voted for Baba. But when destruction comes, it affects all the Kenyans. And we hope this time round, once we do this, the 2027 elections, whatever the outcome, we are not going to go to this slippery path again.